Mr. Srivastav is the General Secretary of the Tar and Commercial Space Association. We are trying to see the government put in place norms and try to seal illegal tars that have been constructed. You people are fighting that. You've gone to court, the mobile companies have gone to court, you're opposing that. We're showing in the results of this survey the impact of EMR. Right, it's very dangerous. Clearly, there's a drop in sperm count, cardiac problems, respiratory problems. List is all, it's all there. It's medically all proven internationally. Now, if you continue fighting the placement of these mobile tars, which are happening in an illegal fashion, people's health is suffering. Does not matter to you, Mr. Srivastav?
It does matter. As a matter of fact, there is hardly any illegal tower installed in Delhi or NCR. The main problem got created that in February 2006, RWA, they approached LG requesting that they should be involved and every company should obtain NOC from them for installation of tower. After some time, the RWAs, they started demanding money, 50,000 rupees per tower.
No, but this...
Just listen to me. Which resulted, companies, in the meantime, the LG issued the order that not even a single application will be accepted by MCD. But MCD people, they accepted the application along with the draft, demand draft. Now all those applications, all those files are lying pending, which are not coming out. They have not given the NOC. But even the bank drafts, they could not be encashed because these are valid only for 6 months.
Zafar wants to come in and respond to what you're saying.
You see, the issue what Mr. Srivastav is raising is the issue of a simple contract between a landlord and the tenant. Somebody wants to take his rooftop on rent. Here we are discussing an issue which is related to how that premises which is taken on rent is used. Is it taken on rent to provide a communication facility to the people, or it brings some byproducts with that? The problem is serious and the solution is very simple, and it lies exactly what Milind is saying. Awareness. How many of us know I am carrying a user's manual of a E90 mobile phone, and it says that while you are talking on phone, keep it 1.5 centimeter away from your head. How many consumers who are using the phone day in day out use it? You have seen the people putting the phone here and using it. Where is that 1.5 centimeter?
Okay, Milind,
what happens?
There's a counter side to the story as well, Milind.
People know where is the issue. This is a policy issued by Government of India September 2009, Department of Telecom, that wherever you put a tower, say this is a danger zone, do not come close to this. Awareness. The house owners who are giving their rooftops to them, are they aware that all the mobile service providers are supposed to put that sign there? Their own kids must be going and playing below the towers. If this small sign would have come, which has already been provided in here. And awareness, if the people who are close to those towers, who are giving the rooftops, know this, they would have definitely gone for it. The issue would have been solved so simply.
Milind, we tried to speak to some of the hospitals and some of the schools where these stars were put. None of them came on camera, but what they told us off record was that mobile telephony has revolutioned our lives and really changed completely the lives of all the people who come to these hospitals and school. And surely you'll agree when they say that it's not going to be acceptable to anybody if they come to Breach Candy or they come to Lilavati Hospital and the mobile phone over there does not work. That could cause more damage. That's the point that's being made by these hospitals, that could cause more damage if you suddenly in a random action start pulling all these mobile towers off. Milind.